said that he made Adam, but then he got very lonely. All the other animals had people. So then God said, put him into a deep sleep, and he took one of his ribs out. But he was fine. He grew a new rib, I think. He was okay the whole time. But, and then Adam had a wife. Yeah. That's the whole thing. And I would like you to say to me that you truly believe in God. And I love when people say that. Okay, let's get back to the story here. I'm going a little exaggerate. Okay. And God, and they left. They went. And one day a serpent came. His name was Satan. And he told Eve, God doesn't want you to eat this because you'll get like him. And he was lying. He was literally lying. I know it's a lie. And don't believe that. So this is something for my sissy. And he ate the fruit. She ate the fruit. Eve did. And Adam came. And he came there. And Eve said, you eat this, it's not bad. And they both ate it. So